How are you doing, everyone? It's Terry again. I'm just going to do another quick video showing you how I make my morning smoothie. So today's smoothie has my regular banana and spinach. I've also added some beetroot, red beetroot. So beetroot it's not really a superfood, but I like to consider it as a superfood. There's so many health benefits from eating beetroot. And it's raw, by the way. It's good for the heart, it's good for your blood pressure, helps you maintain a reasonable weight. I believe people with a weak heart or have recently had heart surgery can consume beetroot, and it helps them regenerate the muscle. And another thing that I'm going to put into my smoothie this morning is ginger. Ginger is used in Chinese cooking, is also used in many different types of Asian cooking, Indian food. And it's the best thing about ginger is that it's really good for your gut flora. So it's fairly spicy, and so I'm just going to put a couple little chunks in. Maybe it's hard to tell how much it is, but that's enough. That's going to give me a little bit of kick. I've got this much pear, so roughly just shy of half of this pear. Got some mango as well. Got some strawberries in there. Not mango, sorry. Got some frozen papaya, which I keep in the freezer. Some strawberries there, which kind of looks the same as the beetroot, but they're both in there. And lastly, I'm going to add some water. Oh, speaking of superfood, I am going to put one more thing. This is goji berry. It's labeled as wolfberry, and so in places like Malaysia or Australia, I think they call it wolfberry, but I call it goji berry. Now this is a superfood. It's fairly small. Looks like a lemon seed actually, but they're red. So I'm not gonna put too much. Maybe like half a tablespoon. No, you can't see it. Sorry. Okay, and I've already added my water, so I'm going to go ahead and blend away, and I will edit that sound out when I get on my computer. Oops, now I added too much water, I think, but we'll see. So this is what's left of my ginger, just the fiber. I'm gonna just throw that out. And there you have it, guys. Today's green smoothie, which is actually red, compliments of red beetroot. Thanks for joining me today, guys, and as always, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see recipes, DIY projects that I do, and gardening tips and life hacks. I do everything. I just kind of throw it all in one channel. I do have another channel, which is my wet shaving channel, which is strictly devoted to straight razor restoration, straight razor sharpening. I do reviews of safety razors and straight razors and sharpening of kitchen knives. That's going to be a big one. So, to good health. We'll see you next time. Take care.